Good morning. I've just entered the gates of the Old North Burial Ground in Providence, Rhode Island. It's probably the state's oldest, most well-known cemetery. And I'm on the way this morning to do some grave cleaning. I come once in a while and clean my great-grandfather and great-grandmother and grandfather and grandmother's graves. Today is going to be that day. But I'm going to take you through here to where their resting place is and give you just a kind of a view of my view as I drive in the cemetery. It's a very, very old cemetery. There are some people that are buried kind of semi-in ground over here, some above ground. The person there, Mary Eliza Luther, died in 1893, so you can tell this is quite old. There's a bunch of Civil War dead here that fought and lived in the Providence, Rhode Island area. Some burial mounds. So I'm just going to keep quiet and let you see the view that I see as I come in here.